Okay, y'all. So I got back from dropping the kids off this morning. Decided to come home and clean up all the front room today. So this is me washing these dishes because the kitchen need to be clean, deep clean, because I just got over having a little cold. And I'm making sure that I just disinfected everything with bleach water. I don't know if y'all put bleach in y'all water, but I put bleach in my water. I got my Dawn soap, and I'm wiping down the counters where I had sprayed some bleach spray. And so I'm wiping that down, making sure it's clean. Y'all see it's clean? It's clean. Put my Dawn back, put my candle back. Oh, that candle smells so good, by the way, y'all. Anyway, just cleaning off everything. And as you see, I do not use a dish rack because I feel like a dish rack is going to make me lazy. So if I use a towel, I just dry my dishes all when I'm done doing dishes and put them back up in the cabinets, and then they're done. This is me with the bleach wiping off the table where the kids sit. Because of course, they be coming from school, they eat, they cough, they hack, they do all that. So I'm just making sure I disinfect that. Now I'm gonna go down here and sweep. My Great Dane is down there, y'all. My Great Dane. You probably can't see her because she's by the front door, but I'm sweeping all her little dirt that be in between her feet. Now I'm going in the boys' hallway of their rooms and sweeping over there. And then over here where my mud room is, and sweeping all that. And then my baby girl room, you will see, I will go over there. She got a small little hallway, and she's next to the laundry room. So when I disappear, that's me going over there, doing the laundry room and her hall, and making sure all of that is cleaned up. And then, yeah, sweep. But I'm not gonna take y'all through all this sweeping because this is a lot of sweeping, because behind this camera is the back part of where I gotta sweep. I'm moving them out because I made some mouthwater talking about these floors. And, yeah. Yep. And I'm getting by the table right now where the kids eat, cleaning the table, all that. Just getting all that stuff, Now I'm gonna cut y'all off. Yes, this is me. I sprayed down the counters, the stove, everything. Just gonna clean this down. Now this is where it's clean. I wipe down the cabinets, wipe the microwave, the stove, everything. Everything is wiped down. Everything is disinfected. Everything. Everything is just clean. Excuse that little red lawn chair. My husband had bought those. I'm still trying to figure out what to get for some island chairs, y'all. So if y'all got any ideas, just let your girl know. But yeah, this is everything clean. Yeah, this is the kitchen. The kitchen is nice and clean and sanitized, and it looks good. I love a white kitchen, y'all. I do. I just love me a white kitchen. And so this is the front room. Everything is cleaned up in there. I need to get some pictures, y'all. Give me some ideas. Pictures for the wall. I need some. The room is clean. I made sure I made the bed and everything. I did good. Y'all can't see outside. But yeah, y'all. Clean house. I appreciate it.